Hey, we got some fireworks. Let's go. Happy, yay, there we go. Happy 156th birthday, Canada. Oh my god. Happy Canada YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Whatever. Happy Canada Day.
Right? Do you agree or disagree?
Okay, let's go. Come on. Hey.
Right?
What are you even? Hey.
Oh. That was disappointing.
I know.
They're everywhere.
I know.
Oh. They're everywhere. Holy shit.
It's Canada Day. What do you expect? It's Canada. Oh, come on. Fuck off, Ren.
Fireworks. We want fireworks. We want fireworks. Ow.
Good job, moron.
How was that a good idea?
I don't know. They are fucking. Oh,
Get off of me, you fucking mosquito. Shoot.
they are like fucking they're like fucking all over the place. You can hear them. Like
Whoa, that's crazy.
fucking mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Get the fuck off me.
Oh.
I've known you if you guys can see.
There's some lights down there, but
Yeah. Holy There you go. Okay, we got.
now they're coming around, eh? What?
No. It's Canada Day.
Whoa, that's crazy. I did not know that.
There you go. Yes. Hey, let's go.
It's so loud.
Fuck off, mosquitoes.
I think one flew up my nose.
Hey, they're fucking everywhere, bud. Let's fucking go.
I love mosquitoes. Stop trying to fly into my fucking nose.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Fuck off, mosquito. Yeah, let's go. Ha ha. What a beautiful way to celebrate Canada's 156th birthday. Ha.
Whoa.
Hey, the fucking all over. Fuck off, mosquitoes. Fuck.
Oh, some more shit. It's in a bite bed in the distance.
Ken.
Oh.
Hey, there we go. Oh, I completely forgot about this fucking speed bump. There we go. I know, fucking. I'm already getting eaten fucking alive.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, let's go. Oh. Fucking
They'll go into the fucking field.
Fuck the mosquitoes.
I don't want to fuck the mosquitoes. They're too fucking small. Bud.
You know what the fuck I mean?
I could. Whoa, shit.
Whoa! We got some more. Okay, that's a better view. Hey, let's go.
And away from the fucking mosquitoes, right, bud?
No.
Damn.
Canada cannot get any better than this.
You hear laughter in the distance.
Yep. There we go.
But imagine wearing shorts in this weather. Whoa, shit. Damn, bro.
Fucking hell.
Life goes on and on and on. Oh, there's some more over that way.
Fucking hell.
I'm definitely putting in audio, like a music audio on this fucking shit.
Fuck. Fucking mosquitoes. Fuck off.
Holy shit, look at all that.
Sorry, folks. I would have to edit that out. Fuck.
Ah, that's a blooper.
Yes.
Keep it in there.
Keep it in there. Oh.
Ah, $10.
Fuck off, mosquitoes. Fuck. Holy fuck, they're fucking everywhere.
What do you fucking look, bud? Like flashes before my eyes.
I know, holy
Bitch.
fucking... Fucking hell. Okay. So we just go back on corner because these fucking mosquitoes are fucking driving me up the wall. Okay, and... Fuck, okay. Okay guys, that's it. Like, subscribe, comment on YouTube, follow, like, whatever. Peace.